In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple stores in Shopify 2025. Creating more than one Shopify store is useful when you want to run separate brands, manage different product lines, or keep different regions organized under their own storefronts. The key idea is that each store is created individually, with its own name and web address, so you will want to take a moment to plan those details before you click anything. To begin, go to your Shopify account area where you manage your stores. Look for the option that says Create Another Store and click it. This is the starting point for adding a new separate storefront under your account. After you select it, Shopify will guide you through a short setup flow. Next, you will choose the store purpose. This describes how you plan to use the store. For most people, building a standard storefront that customers can browse and buy from, the correct choice is Online Store. Select the purpose that matches what you are building, because Shopify uses this choice to tailor parts of the setup experience. After that, enter your store name. Pick a name that clearly matches the brand or purpose of this specific store, especially if you are creating several stores that will be managed side by side. It helps to use naming that is easy to recognize at a glance in your store list, so you always know which store you are opening. Then you will enter the URL for the store. This is the Shopify address that will be associated with the store during setup. Choose something simple, readable, and as close to your store name as possible. Also, make sure it is unique, since Shopify will not allow two stores to use the exact same URL. If your first choice is not available, adjust it slightly while keeping it consistent with your brand name. When both the store name and URL are filled in, click Create Store. Shopify will take a moment to generate the new store. Once it finishes, you will be able to access that store separately from your other stores and manage it as its own storefront. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.